Para for dictation, exercise number 6, 5 seconds to start, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The rule mandate the seller to produce the original deed through which ownership was acquired. Land governance in India is a mixture of colonial legislation, complex administrative setups, and an overburdened judiciary. Full point. This often results in prolonged battles for land, be it bureaucratic or judicial. Full point. Three separate domains registration, survey and settlement, and revenue operate independently, making synchronization of records a persistent challenge. Each department is governed by a separate legislative and administrative mandate. Further, the current system creates only a presumption of title which can be challenged in court using evidence such as previous deeds, revenue receipts, mutation records, proof of possession, or even computing sale dates. Stop. This places a heavy burden on buyers to conduct exhaustive due diligence before purchasing property. Along with understanding legislative and administrative designs on land records, it is important to recognize the complexities that stem from the historical inconsistencies in land governance across the Indian subcontinent. Over centuries, the region has been governed by various rurals, each implementing distinct revenue systems. The legacy of diverse administrative practices, colonial rule, separate rules applied in princely states, the creation of different types of titles, and significant post independence reforms such as land ceiling acts has resulted in a highly intricate and regionally varied socio legal framework for land. What is the way forward for land administration reform? Sign of interrogation. The solution lies in large scale administrative reform. The focus needs to be on creating an integrated and synchronized record keeping system that minimizes the risk of fraud. Efforts are underway at both the union and state levels to digitize and modernize land records. For instance, Karnataka's Bhumi and Kaveri systems link records of right with registration, automatically updating ownership records upon the registration of transfer deeds. Similar integration efforts are being attempted for spatial data and revenue records, though primarily for agricultural land. Technology is playing a key role in these reform initiatives. Full point. From digitizing records to making workflow processes tech enabled, there is also growing discussion on the role of artificial intelligence and blockchain technologies. Full point. In fact, in its recent decision, the Supreme Court suggested exploring blockchain technology to create secure, transparent, and tamper-proof land records. Full point. Andhra Pradesh pilot project using blockchain for land records has reportedly halved land disputes and improved transaction efficiency by 30%. How would blockchains work? Sign of interrogation. Blockchain, as its moniker suggests, is a chain of blocks of data linked into an uneditable, digital chain, full point. This information is stored in an open source decentralized environment in which each block's information is confirmable by every participating computer. Stop.